Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are someone who looking forward to bringing a positive change in the community, you are probably tried to of where to spread the word about your effort. This could have been done through brand ambassador, friend, media, or other promotional content. It cannot be denied that the most powerful sources used to spread the word as the one welfare organization thrive on to do their charity work today are tasked to find this influential source has cut down because we have exactly what is needed to connect to a large audience. The social media, how can we effectually use the social media for good? That is a brilliant question we are about to answer. It is not a crunch. Very often, the most informative and useful posts get buried and in avalanche of so many other news items on people's feed and avalanche of so many other news items on people feed. Even uploading the message before it start to slip out of public as awareness and get replaced with another hot news topic. Here are nice effective way you can use social media for social good. To network with like organization, one of the best way to obtain useful information about a concern is by having a little chit chat with other contact on the same page. How in a normal networking event you are going to the same by finishing through the crowd a subject on the social media. However much of the effort to find a channel you are using, you can join community group like organization, follow a relevant hashtag, or add to your list friend and follower that belong to similar organization. Unlike traditional business, these organizations would not be your competitor. They will be philanthropic organizations seeking to bring God to the community. To connect with the donor in a traditional non-profit business, there would you look for donor set of a stall with a jar of cash. Maybe go donor to door and ring bells. Perhaps ask UK dissertation online service to write about your cause. With the help of social media account, you won't have to go through all that trouble and awareness by creating a sound and have to solid social presence. You will have access to a large community, possibly even an international one. Social media won't require to knock on anyone's door. You will simply share what you have to say or show, and the interested bunch of people will show on their own. No awareness, no force needed, and no so spammy email. Here are the nice effective way you can use social media for social good. Nothing speak credibility where the way search and static do people love getting to know fact that static, especially those who are previously unaware of social causes, always have a range of static research and knowledge to share in an audience. Please subscribe my channel for more news update and thanks for watching my videos.